This video is the listing challenge with one of my really good reseller friends, Rebel Rose Co. Kelly over there at Rebel Rose Co. I just woke up. I was getting all my inventory ready all night and I fell asleep on the couch. So it is, what time is it? It's 7:30 in the morning and I'm gonna shower and then I'll come back and check in with you guys. So give me 2 minutes while I shower and I'll be back. Okay. Hey guys, so I just organized my workspace. Let me show you, because if you have a clean workspace, you get more done. So I put everything on there. I don't know how much is on the rack, but I'm gonna try and do 30 today. I'm trying to do more because I'm doing my part-time job tomorrow, which I do Tuesdays and Thursdays. And this is gonna be a shaky video, so whatever, live your life, deal with it. The headband is in, I'm ready to go, so let me show you the workspace and it's ready. My first 10 were just photographed. I separated them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a Prada shirt. I'm super excited to list it. And then here back, I'm letting them dry and the wrinkles be out from the steaming. I'm gonna go get a coffee and come back and photograph all of them. Hey guys, so I just did my live with Kelly, Rebel Rose Co. that I'm doing the challenge with on Instagram. So basically what we're gonna do, guys, is we're doing listing challenge. You wanna tell them how many a day we're gonna be, our goal is gonna be?
30 a day for 5 days.
I should probably say our main goals for this challenge, or what I want to focus on is to be more organized and efficient in my process. Because I feel like I was telling you, a lot of people do batch work. I feel like if I took 100 photos, I would get overwhelmed on my camera roll just looking at all of them in a row.
Yeah.
So I feel like I'm the kind of person who takes pictures of 2 things and then goes to list them and edits them and then comes back and does the thing. So my goal is to do blocks of 10, I think, and then go do it. I can sit down and focus.
Okay, I guess my goal would be to figure out a way to list faster and not take so long.
I'm excited. I'm gonna start getting everything together to list. I spent $50 on IKEA hangers because I wanted to have the hangers, the wooden ones I take photographs on, because I have 3 of them now and I have metal ones, so every time I take a picture I just switch it from the metal one to that, and it's a nightmare. Sorry if I'm shaking. But yes, I'm gonna go run and get a Starbucks and then actually start my entire day. Let's do it. Right now, what time is it? Right now it is currently 11 in the morning, and let's do it. Hey guys, so it's currently the middle of the week. It's Wednesday, and I am trying to do as many updates as I can, but it might jump around from days to day. I had my part-time job yesterday, so I didn't really get that much done. I got 5 listed, so today I really want to get 60. I have 25 photographed and listed already, and I have another 26 photographed. So I have to list that and edit the pictures. And yeah, we'll see. I don't know how it's looking for me. I know Kelly's a little bit ahead. If you want to go in my description, and the link to her video is there as well. We did a collab. And again, this is shaky, so I apologize. Hey guys, so I just filmed myself doing steaming and I realized I didn't film myself photographing because I was so in the game. I didn't want to get distracted photographing. I have a lot of stuff photographed now, but I also have a lot of stuff listed from the other past few days. So I'm gonna take this time, since I don't have footage of me photographing, to show you guys. Oh my God, I'm shaking so much. What is wrong with me? Hashtag ADD. There we go. To show you guys, I'm gonna show you guys now some of the listings I have up, edited, and the screenshots of them. So here we go. Let's see if I can do it. We'll see you in a few days. Hey guys, so it is currently the last day of the challenge, day 5. I'm almost to halfway of 150. I've failed extremely so far, But I'm gonna take this video and this time to like talk about the pros and cons of doing this and like my mental state of sitting down and listening so much at once. I don't know where Kelly's at, but we'll see from her YouTube video. Sorry if this is shaking. I'm holding it with my hand and I'm a shaker. You never know. I'm gonna go hard today. This is the last day. I'm spending all day doing this, so we'll see and I'll update you guys soon. Cross our fingers, I win. We both might not reach 150, but let's see who gets more. Hey guys, so the reason I'm shirtless is because I just woke up. I look absolutely horrible. I swear I'll glow up after I shower and stuff and do my hair and get ready and smooth out this. But right now it is, 8 in the morning. We extended the challenge to the weekend. It's currently Saturday because we didn't meet the 150 goal, me and Kelly, and we really want to try and finish this challenge. So instead of a 5-day business, we were doing a 7-day business, or a 7-day whole week. So this is like my 4th round of a full rack going through it. These are Minnetonka boots, and I'm doing all shoes right now. So yeah, stay tuned guys, I'm excited, and let's see if we can do this challenge. Hey guys, so I just did my shipping. I sold 2 things that I've listed during the challenge, along with like 10 other things that were already listed. But I'm at 80. It's Saturday right now because we extended. I am literally wearing the same thing as I wore in the past 2 days. I can't even think right now. I've literally been frazzled. This is taking a toll on my mental health, Kelly. Oh my god, but I'm at like 80, around 80, I think. And it's Saturday. I don't think I'm gonna get the 150. I'm gonna try and at least break 100. So we'll see what happens. And yeah, stay tuned, guys, because this has been a damn challenge. And I'm gonna add our lives in here as well, and a kind of like a little wrap up in a little bit to see like what we did strong and what we think we can learn for next time. So me and Kelly are gonna talk face to face, and you guys will see. This is gonna be live with Kelly at Rebel Rose Co. She's gonna request to join, and I'm gonna accept. Oh my god, a lot of people are joining. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. Stay on this. Don't click off. We want to talk to you guys about some stuff. Should we start off by telling them what we did, basically?
Yes. So we're doing like a collab, like a YouTube video, and we did a listing challenge, 30 items per day. We were gonna do 5 days, and then we failed, so we did 7 days, and then we failed. So yeah,
and then we did 7.5. No, I'm kidding. So we did 7. So our goal was 150. So per day that was 30, right?
Yeah, and we were gonna do 50, but then we were like, oh, that's too hard. So then we did 30, and then we failed that too.
Basically, what me and Kelly did is we were texting the entire time. We became best friends. We vibed live, and we filmed updates too every day. I'm embarrassed because I know you reached. Did you reach 100?
Yeah.
See, I didn't. I reached 80.
That's okay.
What's your goal? Do you want to like grow and scale your business? Because that's what I want to do.
I would, but I sort of feel like I don't have enough like motivation. I don't know. Like
I'm in the same boat though too.
Yeah. Like it would be cool, but I don't know. I'm kind of like lazy. And
like
so,
I don't want to get in a situation where I commit to like, let's say a lease of a warehouse, like, and then like don't make enough to even cover that. Like
that would happen to me.
And also talking me and you during it, I learned stuff from you. Hopefully you learned stuff from me. But no, just like talking to see how people do it differently and tackle like I'm gonna do 150 and this is how I'm gonna prep. Some people like prep their items first. Some people like do this or that, like that kind of thing. So I talk a lot, so feel free to interrupt.
Oh no, you're fine. I think my biggest problem was, I think, you know how like people say like if you do stuff in batches it goes faster, but I feel like it sort of slows me down because like on the beginning days, like I took a gazillion pictures and I edited them, and then I had like no energy to list, or I just was being lazy. So I feel like next time if I just did like 10 items, photographed them, and then
that's what
them,
I did, and I still didn't do well, but that's my process.
Yeah, I think I would do better if I did that because I do like a giant amount, and then I'm like,
and then it clogs like your camera roll and stresses you out, and then you have to like edit one like, and it's separated from the rest.
Yeah,
that's
so
the
I
worst.
think doing like 10 items at a time would be better for me because I always try and do too much at once, and I think that slows me down.
Okay, well, we'll talk to you later. I love you, Kelly. You're amazing.
Okay. We'll work on our YouTube video.
Yeah, everybody stay tuned.
Yeah.
And I'll repost this live on my profile.
See ya.
Bye, guys.